A special meeting. Anna works in a small bookstore. She loves books and enjoys helping customers. Every morning, she opens the shop and makes a cup of tea. One day, a young man walks into the bookstore. He has dark hair and a warm smile. He looks around and picks up a book. Hello, Anna says. Can I help you? Yes, please, the man says. I am looking for a good romance book. Anna smiles. I love romance books. This one is very good, she says, and gives him a book. The man takes the book and reads the title. It looks interesting. Thank you. He comes back the next day. Hello again, he says. The book was wonderful. My name is Tom. Nice to meet you, Tom. I'm Anna, she says. Tom visits the bookstore every day. He talks to Anna, and they laugh a lot. One day, he brings her a small chocolate. This is for you, he says. Anna feels happy. Thank you, Tom. That's very kind. Would you like to have dinner with me tonight? Tom asks. Anna's heart beats fast. She smiles. Yes, I would love to. It is the beginning of a beautiful love story.